Once you've received your enrolment form from icptm@tunstall.com, you will need to go to the App Store to download the myMobile application. Once in the App Store, search Tunstall. The application is called myMobile in Health and Fitness. Download the myMobile app. Once downloaded, select Open. Bluetooth connection will not be required. Now the myMobile app is downloaded, your enrolment will need activating. This is done on the email received. Navigate to the email and open. Select the link under Activate App. Select the link labelled Activate myMobile. You will be directed to the myMobile application. Select Open. Select a unique username and password. Password rules: must be at least 8 characters long. Must contain at least 3 characters of the following: uppercase, lowercase, number, and a special character. Tap Register. Choose if you would like to receive notifications. These will assist you by reminding you to do your interviews. The app will open.